Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Tech Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Meesho account permanently. If you no longer want to use Meesho, if you want to remove personal information from the app or are switching to a different online selling platform, then first of all, launch open the Meesho application on your device and log into your account if you are not already. Once logged in, from the main homepage of Meesho, click on your profile picture at the top left corner. From here, tap on your username at the top and this will bring up to the Edit Profile Information page. Go to the top of the screen and click Settings. Once you open up Settings, you will see Delete My Account button. Remember that when you proceed to delete your account, you will not be able to access your personal data, including your old orders, saved addresses, and payment methods. To proceed deleting your account, click on Delete My Account and then go through the information first and click Continue. Select why you are trying to get rid of the account and click on Delete Account again. After you do that, your deletion will be initiated and your Meesho account will be permanently removed, including all your personal information, order history, and saved items. Once you delete your account cannot be recovered. If you have any pending orders or refunds, resolve them before deleting your account. You may need to contact Meesho support if you encounter any kind of an issue. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.